quieter, cooler, smarter. 2022 Paseco Premium Window Air Conditioner. Now, free from worries about outdoor unit or making holes in walls. Okay with any window. Okay with any windowsill. Now, installation has become easier. Convenient self-install with easy mohair kit. Solid window lock. Feel safe when you go out. Higher efficiency and cooling power with dual inverter method. Reduced noise with graphene foam on suction plate. Strong wind of BLDC motor. Self-evaporation system without drains. Certified function. Prepare for a cooler summer. Not only 3D air conditioning, breeze mode good for ventilation. Tunnel air conditioning for cave-like cooling. Dehumidification mode. Don't need dehumidifiers. Smarter air conditioner. Smart Home IoT. IMD Molding's fabric texture LED display clearer screens. With 24-hour reserve timer function. Comfortable sleeping mode. With compact size and trendy design, adding style to space. Paseco representing K-Window air conditioner. Multiple patents on air conditioner technology. During humid and hot summer times of Korea, Paseco studies the season carefully to achieve the best technological results. Quiet surroundings, but powerful cooling. With the convenient IoT technology, Smart Paseco Smart Home. Can't get quieter than this. Paseco Premium Window Air Conditioner.